Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we create our first GitHub account. So first thing, let's open our web project in our editor. Right click on web project folder and open with code. But if you can't find this, just click on the window icon, then search Visual Studio Code, then click on it, click on file, then click on open folder. Then you pick the web project folder, then select the folder. And if this terminal is not opened, click on view, then you select terminal. Just click on terminal and this terminal will open. Let me click on it again. So I have it open now. By default, the one that is there is window PowerShell. Window PowerShell is a command line interface that we can use to access our program. I will create a playground folder for the tutorial so that you can always reference everything I've taught. Let's create a folder. So you can click on this folder icon, but I won't be creating folder from here. I'll be creating from the terminal. So to do that, just type in make directory mdir, then the playground folder. Then press enter key on your keyboard. The folder has been created. So we can also use command line as well to create a folder. Using command line is the same thing as using the GUI as well. So with the command line, we can do the same thing as well. So let's take it to watch our playground folder. And to do that, we have to navigate for inside playground folder, because if we initialize Git, it will go to the top root of the folder, which is web project. So I will click on file again and click on open folder. Then I will navigate back to the web project folder, open the folder up. Then I'll be clicking on playground folder now. Then let's open up the terminal. You click on view, then you click on terminal. Okay. To take Git to watch this folder, Git also is a command line interface. We interact with it with the command line. Also, we can use the GUI, graphic user interface, which is this source control. From here also we can access Git, but let's access it from the terminal. If we try the window PowerShell, so let me type in Git. You see, it's complaining about the path. So we will fix this later along the tutorial. But for now, I want us to switch to Git bash, which is command line interface for Git. And to do that, click on this drop down arrow. Then you will see Git bash. But I want you to select default profile first. Then select Git bash so that we will be using Git bash throughout this project. But later, we'll fix this path issue. So click on this plus icon to open up under terminal. So that will be bash. Then click on this bin to delete the PowerShell. Inside the playground folder now. So to take Git to watch this folder, type in this command git init. So with this, Git is watching this folder. So let's create a file inside this folder. Click on this plus icon and name it index.html. From our source control, we see this one icon showing us that we have a file that Git is not watching. So we need to take Git to watch this file. This is the advantage of using Git, because you can see the changes that is happening to your project. So let's open up our project folder, the web project, then open the folder up. Then double click on the playground folder. Click on view, then tick hidden item, just click on it. So you see a folder called .git. So this is the folder that Git is using to keep track of our project. Let's delete this folder. To do that, just click on shift on your keyboard, then delete to delete permanently. So let's open up our project. Just click on source control, then refresh it. As it's complaining that the could not find the Git repo again. So that's the reason why we need online storage where we save this Git repo. So in case we have a problem with our system or our system crashes, we have different online storage for that. We have GitHub, we have GitLab, we have Gitbucket. But the one we'll be using is GitHub, because this is the most popular one you will see if you join any developer team. To do that, let's sign up for GitHub account. Then search GitHub sign up. Then press enter on your keyboard. Then the first option, join GitHub. Then the username must be something unique. So I'll use app. Okay, this name has been chosen, so I'll change to app tutors. Then your email address, then password. I don't want to receive any occasional products updates, so I won't click on this email preferences option. Then verify your account. Then click on the spiral shape, spiral galaxy. First one, then the second one, the spiral galaxy. Third one, then the fourth one, then the last one now. Okay. Then click on the create account button. Then open up your email, the mail you used to sign up for GitHub. Open up that mail. Then copy this code. Press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Then Ctrl V to paste it. Then just this for personalization, just me, then teacher, then continue. Just click on the continue button. I'll skip this. You can continue with this personalization, but I'll skip this. You have successfully created your first GitHub account. In the next tutorial, we will connect Git to GitHub. Thanks for listening.